This is the first unboxing and hands-on look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and right from the start, the phone delivers a strong premium impression. Even before taking it fully out of the box, the overall presentation feels clean, refined, and very intentional. Samsung continues its minimalist approach, focusing on quality rather than unnecessary extras. As the box opens, the Galaxy S26 Ultra sits neatly on top, immediately becoming the center of attention. The phone's design looks modern and confident, with a clear flagship identity. There is no flashy packaging or overdone accessories here, just a simple and premium presentation that highlights the device itself. This instantly sets the tone for what Samsung wants the S26 Ultra to represent. The first thing noticeable about the phone is its flat and boxy frame. Samsung has stayed true to the Ultra design language, using sharp edges and straight lines that give the phone a strong and professional look. This design feels purposeful, aimed at users who want a serious flagship rather than something playful or trendy. The flat sides also give the phone a more solid and structured appearance. The color finish looks smooth and matte, which adds to the premium feel. Light reflects softly off the surface without looking shiny or distracting. This matte finish not only looks elegant but also helps reduce fingerprints, keeping the phone looking clean even after regular use. The back panel follows the same clean design philosophy, with no unnecessary patterns or branding. Everything feels balanced and well thought out. Moving to the camera section, Samsung's signature vertical camera layout is clearly visible. Each camera lens is placed individually, giving the back of the phone a bold yet minimal look. The camera rings are slightly raised, which adds depth to the design without making it look bulky. This layout gives off a professional and serious vibe, clearly signaling that this is an Ultra device built for high-end performance. The camera design does not feel experimental or risky. Instead, it feels refined and confident, as if Samsung knows exactly what works and is simply improving on it. The spacing between the lenses looks clean, and the overall camera module blends nicely with the back panel. It feels like a natural extension of the phone rather than something added as an afterthought. Looking at the sides of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the phone appears solid and well built. The flat edges give it a modern industrial feel, while also improving grip. The buttons are placed neatly and seem easy to reach, suggesting good ergonomics despite the phone's large size. Everything feels tight and precise, with no loose or awkward elements. The thickness of the phone looks well balanced. It feels sturdy and durable without appearing overly thick or heavy. This balance is important for a device of this size, and Samsung seems to have managed it well. The flat frame also helps the phone sit firmly in the hand, giving users a sense of control and stability. Turning attention to the front, the display immediately stands out. The screen looks large, flat, and highly immersive. The bezels are extremely slim, giving the phone a near edge-to-edge display experience. This makes the phone feel modern and premium, even without turning the screen on. The centered punch hole camera blends seamlessly into the display. It does not draw unnecessary attention and keeps distractions to a minimum. This design choice helps maintain a clean viewing experience, whether watching videos, gaming, or browsing. The flat display also suggests better usability, especially for those who prefer precision when typing or using the S Pen. Even without seeing the display powered on, it is clear that Samsung is prioritizing immersion and clarity. The front of the Galaxy S26 Ultra looks refined and focused, with nothing that feels out of place. This reinforces Samsung's commitment to clean design and user-friendly visuals. Keeping things simple, this unboxing highlights Samsung's ongoing focus on minimalism. Recent Samsung flagships have followed this approach, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra continues that trend. There are no unnecessary design elements or flashy details. Instead, the phone relies on strong materials, clean lines, and thoughtful design choices to stand out. This hands-on unboxing gives a close look at what Samsung might be preparing for its next Ultra flagship. While this unit is not confirmed to be final or official, the design feels very close to something ready for mass production. The build quality, layout, and overall polish suggest that Samsung is refining rather than reinventing its Ultra lineup. If this design makes it to the final version, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a sleek, powerful, and highly refined smartphone. It feels like a device made for users who value premium design, durability, and a professional look. Samsung appears to be setting the stage for another strong Ultra release. This first hands-on look shows a phone that feels confident in its identity. The Galaxy S26 Ultra does not try to be flashy or experimental. Instead, it focuses on being polished, balanced, and premium in every aspect. If this direction continues, Samsung may once again set a new standard for Ultra smartphones. That wraps up the first unboxing and hands-on look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this design reaches the final model, Samsung could be raising the bar once again. Share thoughts in the comments and let others know what stands out the most about this design.